In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add computer or phone expenses in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started right from your QuickBooks Online homepage. Once you've signed in, head to the left menu and open Expenses. This is your hub for recording what your business spends, and it's where we'll add the purchase of a computer or a phone. At the top, choose New Transaction, then select Expense. That opens the expense form. Begin with the Payee field. If the store or supplier isn't already in your list, open the dropdown, choose Add New, type the vendor's name, and save it. Creating the payee now makes your reports cleaner later and speeds things up the next time you buy from the same place. Next, choose the payment account you used, such as a checking account, credit card, or petty cash. Set the payment date to the day you made the purchase, and if you have one, add the reference No from your receipt or invoice. You can also pick a payment method that matches how you paid. Now let's categorize the purchase so it lands in the right place on your books. In the category details section, click the category field, type to search, and select office expenses. This is a common choice for small purchases like phones, peripherals, or lower cost computers. In the description box, briefly note what you bought. Something like company phone or laptop for new team member, so it's easy to recognize later. Enter the amount of the item on that same line. If this purchase includes multiple items, or you want to separate parts of the spend, add another line and repeat the process. Choose office expenses again, add a clear description, and enter the amount. Splitting lines helps you track components individually while keeping the total correct. Take a quick look at the total at the bottom to confirm it matches your receipt. A final review only takes a moment and can save time during month-end reconciliation. When everything looks right, select Save and Close. Your expense is now recorded, categorized, and included in your financial reports. A few quick tips as you work. Use clear, consistent descriptions to make future searches simple. Keep your vendor list tidy so you can filter expenses by supplier. And if your purchase is a high-dollar computer that your accountant prefers to capitalize, check with them on the proper category for your business. Consistency and accuracy here will make your profit and loss and tax prep much easier. That's it. You've added a computer or phone expense in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.